Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In activities 21 through 21.3, we're going to be focusing on creating a personal word web and writing good sentences with personal information. But what is a personal word web, you might be asking? A personal word web is a visual tool designed to help build vocabulary around a central theme or word. In the center of the web, learners write a key word like family or school, and in the surrounding circles, they add related words or phrases. This activity will focus on you and connect you to new vocabulary with familiar concepts, especially with regard to highlighting the things that make you unique. If you look in your textbook in Activity 20, there is a representation of a word web. In the middle, you see the word name and a line above it. This is where you will write your name. As an example, we will work with Sam and work with this person as a way to practice. Surrounding the name are several boxes with captions above them: hobbies, daily routine, likes, dislikes, food favorites, and talents and goals. Let's begin with hobbies. Hobbies are things people do as recreation or just because it is fun. Our example person, Sam, their hobbies include playing baseball and collecting baseball cards. Next, we come to daily routine. Sam's daily routine includes working from 9 to 5 from Monday to Friday. Then he goes to the gym to exercise. Finally, every night, he spends an hour on social media. On the weekends, he plays baseball and buys baseball cards to add to his collection. Next, we come to likes. Sam likes to watch baseball games on TV. He also likes listening to podcasts when he is driving in his car. His dislikes include hot summers and beets. Sam's favorite foods include baked potatoes and Chinese rice. Sam's talents include being athletic and playing baseball. His goal is to one day play baseball professionally. So your task is to complete this word web with information about you. What are your daily routines? What are the things you like and dislike? What are your favorite foods? Etc. Pause the video now and complete your word web. All right. Now on the next page, in Activity 21.1, you will use the information from your word web to complete the sentences. For example, if we use Sam's information, we can complete number 1 like this: I like watching baseball games because I like playing baseball. Pause the video now and complete numbers 1 and 2 on your own. For the daily routine, which is number 3 and 4, we can do something like, every morning I go to work at the construction site, and in the evening I go to the gym and exercise. For personal experience, you can share whatever you like. We'll use Sam as an example to demonstrate. One time I hurt my shoulder when I pitched a ball game. Pause the video now and complete the sentences in Activity 21.1. In Activity 21.2, complete the sentence frames. You will gradually increase the complexity of the sentences by adding more details. For example, the basic sentence could read, I like baseball. The intermediate could be, I like baseball because it is a fun sport. And the advanced could be like, I like baseball because it makes me feel strong and important. Finally, for Activity 21.3, Fill in the blanks with your information. Be sure to share your responses with your classmates, your teacher, your tutor, or even me. Write whatever responses you like in the comments section of this video, and I will gladly give you my feedback. Well, we covered 4 activities in this video. That's a record for us so far. Continue with activities 21.4 and 21.5 on your own and share them with your teacher. Be sure to like and share this video and visit our website at iwtle.com for updates and articles related to language learning. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, keep working on your writing skills.